Okay, question 4 now. What do we need to do for this one? So this is decimal multiplication. Easiest way to do this is to ignore the decimal points for now. Just multiply the numbers as you see, and we'll put the decimal places back in at the end. So 4 times 32, do it however you want to do it. 2 column multiplication. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 128. Okay, so 128. That's if it wasn't, but it is. I need to see how many decimal places we have here. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decimal places. I need to put them in. So looking at this, I've got 1, 2, 3 digits, which means I would need to put in another 2 digits to create my 5 decimal places. Decimal point goes there. That's my final answer. 0.00128.